Mommy. Mommy. Mommy.
Lucy.
Mommy.
Were you able to get the medicine?
Yes. I got it, even though it was not easy to convince the pharmacist to give me on credit, but I got it. Okay, so sit up, let me get you water so you can take it. Try now. Sit up, please. Sorry, mommy. Put this on. Sorry. Try. Hi. I begged and begged. I almost started crying. Before you listen to me. Sorry. Sorry. Easy. Take a rest now. Mommy, are you okay? Let me get water, wait. It's okay. Sorry. Hi. Good.
Thank you, my dear.
Mommy, we can't continue like this. So this is getting out of hand. We can't continue like this. I'm afraid. Oh my God. I need to go out tomorrow and look for a job. Can't continue like this. I need to go out tomorrow. Hello, Jane. I'm not fine. Jane, I can't continue like this. So I cannot sit down here and watch my mother die. I can't. What else? I need to go out tomorrow and look for a job. Of course I have. And I don't even understand anything anymore. It's as if all our efforts to go to school, graduate, and get a good job, it's all a mirage. It's looking like a mirage. I'm tired. Thank you. Bye. Mommy. Sit up. Sorry. Thank you. Take your drugs so I can be good. I'm ready to start going. Wish me luck.
The Lord will go with you, my child.
And in case you are hungry, I made oil rice, so you can eat, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Alright, let me drop this and start going. I'm already late. Mommy, did you not even tell me that I'm fine? Alright, bye-bye. I'll be back soon. Bye. Bye, Mom.
My daughter, did you even wash your hand? Calm down. Calm down. How did it go?
Mommy, I don't have the right words. All I can say is there was this HR manager.
Second class upper from the University of Jos.
Yes, ma.
Where have you been? We've been looking for you.
Wow, ma, I'm here now. Does that mean I have the job?
No, not yet. You see, a lot of people are looking for this job and you have to pay something to have it.
Huh?
Yes.
Ma, how much?
It's just 700,000 naira only.
700. Ma, please don't be angry. How much is the salary?
45,000 naira.
45.
Look at this one. Do you know a lot of people who want our job? Nonsense.
And that was all she said, though. After she was nodding her head like an agama lizard and going through my file. That was all she said.
Don't worry, my dear. God will give you the job. Eh?
Mommy, when?
You will get the job. Just calm down.
When?
Calm down, my daughter. You will get the job. You will get the job. Don't worry, eh?
That was what she said. Jean, I need a job. Anything. Anything at all. I need to get my mom's medication. Like, I don't want her to relapse. We are running out of these drugs. I need a job, like, desperately. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. You too. Jane. Okay. What kind of job? A maid. Jane, what am I supposed to do with a maid's job? You know what? Just send me the address. Wow. Okay. Just send it to me, please. Thank you. I appreciate. Thank you. Hello? Is anyone here? Hello?
Shey person no fit rest for this house. Every minute, come, who dey here, who dey here, who dey. Now only this house dey this street. Abeg I dey come jare. Who be that lizard now? Who be that person wey dey?
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Angel. You sure say you no miss road as you dey come from heaven?
I'm here for the job interview.
Oh, now you the person dem talk say dey come for the.
Yes.
But you sure say na the interview you come so?
Yes. Why do you ask?
Oh, I just confused because see you now. Arranged cuffs, everything, and you wan come do house girl work. But dem tell you say na house girl work you wan come do, abi?
I'm aware.
Oh. Oya na, no yawa na. Follow me. Wetin be that your name again?
Lucy.
Lucy. More dey go, more dey.
Good morning, ma. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
Please sit.
Thank you, ma.
The agent told me you were good, you're upright. But he never told me you're a beauty.
Thank you, ma.
You said you've had 5 years experience, is that true?
Yes, ma.
And your formal education ends in class 6?
Yes, ma.
I don't think this job is for you. Don't get me wrong. You have this soft and fragile appearance.
No, ma, please. can't do this job, please, ma. Please, I can't
No,
do this job.
get
I've
up.
been scouting for jobs all my life.
It's
Please,
okay.
ma, I can't do this job.
It's okay.
Please.
Just get up. Get up. Sit down.
Thank you, ma.
Your diction doesn't sound like that of a class 6 pupil.
Yes, ma. That's because I've been taking extra lessons. I've been trying to develop myself. Yes.
Okay. You have the job.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. Thank you
Just
so
sit.
much.
Get
Thank
up and
you.
sit. It's
Thank
okay.
you.
It's okay.
Thank you, ma.
Get up and
Thank you,
sit. That's all. Your startup salary will be 80,000 naira.
Jesus.
Sorry?
No, nothing, ma. I'm just happy. I'm excited. Thank you, ma.
And it will increase with time.
Thank you, ma.
You'll be resuming by 7 a.m. tomorrow.
Okay, ma.
And you'll have Sundays as your off days. And I have a spare room in the house where you can stay anytime you have overwork days. That's about it. That'll be all.
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, and one more thing. One more thing.
Yes, ma.
I can tolerate and pardon any wrong dealings except for stealing. I get irritated and can get the person arrested.
No, ma. I don't steal. I don't steal, ma.
Okay. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, ma. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you, ma.
Lucy, how far now you take go? You don't get job.
Yes.
You don't get a job?
Yes.
Yes! No vex, no vex, I take hug. But they just sweet me, say, you don't get the job. So you don't tell my colleague like this?
Yes. What's your name?
My name is Solo.
Oh, Solo as in Solomon?
Solomon. So when they resume now?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
Oh, I go to wait for you.
Okay.
So, now from where you come like this?
Alaka.
Alaka. Alaka na my hood now. Where did I take grow?
Oh, wow. That's
I know
nice.
Alaka where?
Yes. Let me be going so I can prepare. All right. Bye-bye.
I bet where my open gate for you.
Lucy, my dear, why are you so sad? Shouldn't worry if you didn't get the job now.
Mommy.
My dear.
I got the job!
Praise the Lord. Congratulations.
Thank you, Mommy.
So, what kind of job did you get?
A maid.
Maid?
Yes.
House help?
Yes, Mommy.
Are you sure you can do that kind of job?
Why? I can do it very well now. Very well.
Well, thank God. If God gives you a job, He will give you the ability to do the job.
Yes.
The Bible says that, do not despise the days of humble beginning.
Mommy, humble beginning. There's nothing humble about this one. Tell me, how many white-collar jobs will pay you 80,000 naira as startup salary? This one is not humble, though.
Congratulations, my dear. Thank God.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you. Jane. Hello, Jane. I'm okay with it now, and my boss seems to be a nice person, so. Yoshi. Thank you so much, girl. Thank you. I don't know what I would have done without you. Wow. I really do appreciate this. Thank you so much. I need to go to bed now. Tomorrow is going to be a long day. Good night, then.
Ah! Omalicha. Beauty, wey be like sleeping beauty.
You have started with your teasing this morning.
No be so nah, no be so.
Good morning.
You don't come.
Yes.
Now you don't resume like this, oh.
Yes.
Welcome.
Thank you.
So how you dey be now? Wetin you carry come for me?
Nothing.
Lucy!
Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Sorry, ma.
Wow. You've done a lot today.
Yes, ma.
And it smells nice too, everywhere.
Thank you, ma.
I can't remember the last time the house was like this.
I'm glad you're okay with it, ma. Ma, are you ready to eat breakfast? What should I prepare?
I think I'll go for egg sauce and bread.
Okay, egg sauce and bread. I'll get it done.
Okay.
Thank you.
Lucy! I'm done here.
Okay, can I take it away?
Please do.
All right, ma.
And one more thing. I forgot to tell you that my kids will be returning today.
Oh,
I'd like you to prepare something nice to welcome them.
all right, ma.
I'll be giving you money to go to the market.
Okay, ma. Ma, did you enjoy the food?
Very well.
Thank you, ma.
Mama!
Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
Welcome.
Yes, Chief.
Mom!
Mommy, yo!
Good afternoon.
Mama, where you dey?
Shoes.
This place has changed. Oh. Is it just, did you notice that they painted the walls?
I don't know.
Yeah, this couch was not
Ma,
before.
excuse me. Who are you?
My children are found!
Mama! Ah, Mama, I miss you.
Baby,
Oh.
Look at you.
Mommy, good afternoon, Ma.
Joyce,
Ma?
how are you?
Hi, Mom.
Like you added some pounds.
Oh, yes, I have.
All thanks to me, though.
Oh,
Oh, I miss you guys. I missed you so much. You know, 2 weeks became like 2 years.
Mom, you know you missed us. That's why we came back.
Mom,
Yes, darling.
who is she?
Oh, Lucy. A new maid. Lucy, meet my beautiful children. My darling Tom, my beautiful Amy, and my nosy Jack.
Come on, Mom, that wasn't necessary.
And my name is Joyce. I'm Jack's fiance.
Yeah, Jack's fiance.
Very nice to meet you.
Is the food ready?
Yes, ma.
Please serve them.
Mama, is that our favorite?
Don't you trust them?
I trust you!
Don't you trust them?
Mom, why would we employ such a girl?
What's wrong with her?
Oh, she's pretty.
Very true. And she's also curvy. What? I'm just saying what I saw. Wait, hold on. Let me get this straight. So because she has a good physical body, it means she's not good enough?
Well, exactly.
You're funny.
I don't understand. Are you trying to take my words for a joke?
Yes. You're clearly not serious. You just met her and you're already judging her because of her physical appearance. You've not even gotten a chance to know her.
Well, I don't care.
Listen. You guys, listen. Auntie Jack. I've had so many maids in the past. But none of them has a spirit that matches mine like hers. She just got the job today. And look at everywhere. Look at your transformation.
That's true, though.
However,
She is the right person for this job.
Absolutely, Mom. I agree with you. But did she make this?
Yes.
What's
wrong?
Nothing. It's just that Amy can never make something like this.
That's true.
Absolutely.
I don't understand. What's that supposed to mean?
I'm just being honest.
She's your sister.
Maybe Indomie now.
Master.
Baby girl, don't mind them. Don't
He
mind
should
them.
respect himself.
Respect yourselves.
A baby will always be.
What's the meaning of this?
Lower your voice while he's shouting.
Why would you just come down here and wrap your hands around me like that?
Lower your voice. Don't be like a child. You know what I want.
Well, I don't. Don't try this again.
No, really. I see you forming hard to get, isn't it?
Yeah, babe, I came to get my phone. I'm coming.
What's wrong with this guy? How does he think? See what he's going to do. It's killing me.
You didn't tell me about the office today.
Oh, it's been great. It's been great. Nothing
That's
new,
good.
but it's been good.
Ma,
Lucy?
I'm ready to go.
All right.
Lucy, do you want me to drop you?
No, I'll be okay.
Are you sure?
Yes.
All right.
Nice.
Night.
How does he think like this? Where would he?
Hello.
Lucy, how far now? Today don't finish like that.
Yes, so
How you take going?
it went well. It was good. Yeah.
Well, you notice that time when I called for his house?
Yes, I guess you were choking.
Choke. Only woman feel choke me like that.
So why did you call Solo?
We are stupid boy. Stupid boy. Wetin you call him? Jack. We be like Jack waiting the carry Jack motor.
What about him?
I think say I like woman. But that boy, he like woman pass anything for this life. You see all the mates wey madam dey carry come this house. Now because of am, all of them run. You dey wan get them either by crook or by hook.
By hook or by crook?
Okay.
But thank you. Anyways, thanks.
Thank you. I got your back.
Yeah. Bye.
No, you can't do that now, bro. This guy. I'm so sorry.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
I should be the one apologizing to you. Sorry for the mess.
It's fine. Do you want anything?
Yeah, I was gonna get water.
Okay, I'll get it for you.
Tom, what's all this?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I made breakfast.
Oh. That's actually very nice of you, but I have to rush to work. Thanks, though.
I will call you back, okay? Yes.
Good morning.
Wash done.
Lucy! Ma. Lucy! Yes, ma.
Enough washing for the day. I need you to come in to prepare something for me.
Okay, ma.
Whose is this?
Oh, it's Amy's. I would wash them when I'm done preparing.
Do not wash this. Do you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
And where is she?
I don't know. She steps this way.
Amy! Why would you give your inner wears to Lucy to wash?
Mom, is that why you called me?
Absolutely. And it comes with a warning. Wash your clothes by yourself.
I don't understand. Mom, Lucy, it's...
Read my lips. Do not ever give your clothes to Lucy again to wash.
Mom!
Am I making myself clear? Am I making myself clear?
Yes.
Hey! What's going on here?
I just hate that girl. I hate her.
Which girl?
Lucy, of course.
Why? She doesn't look like a troublesome person, and besides, her food is very sweet.
I hate everything about her. I hate the aura she carries. I just hate her. Sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry. Why is everyone just so annoying today?
Lucy, darling. Looking fresh as usual.
Good day.
Good day, beautiful. I got you a little something. Something I know you'd like.
I don't want it. Keep it.
What's your problem? Oh, what's your problem? Why are you forming hard to get? You know, people like you always end up dating some little ragged riffraff.
And don't you think it would be better to date a little ragged riffraff than you?
You don't know me. You know nothing about me. I always get what I want and I'll get you.
This time around, you fail. Bug me again and I'll report you to your fiancé and your mother.
I like her. She's tough. Solo, come, I got you something.
And where are you off to?
I'm going home. I'm done for the day.
I'm hungry.
Oh, there's food in the freezer. There's rice, soup, stew. Just put it in the microwave and defrost it.
Well, I want you to make me plantain and egg. That's what I want to eat. Yes.
By this time, Ma, it's past my closing hours and I have no plans of sleeping here tonight. Please, I need to go.
I don't care. Just get in there and make me something to eat, please.
Lucy? You still around?
Yes, ma'am.
And whose meal is that?
Mom, it's my...
By this time of the day?
Yes.
And why didn't you go into the kitchen to make it yourself?
I don't understand, Mom. Isn't that what she's being paid for?
Let this be the last time, the very last time you make her overstay her work time.
Is everything okay? What's happening?
It's your sister. She made her overstay past her work time. Just because she wanted to eat something she would have prepared herself.
Sorry about that, Lucy. Do you plan on sleeping here tonight or you still want to go home?
No, sir. I'm going home, sir.
Okay, then let me drop you.
No, I'll be okay. I'll find my way.
Lucy, please. Allow Tom to drop you off. I'll sleep better. I insist, please.
Why are you guys even pampering her?
Okay. All right, catch you guys later.
Okay, dear.
Good night.
Good night.
Mom, I don't like the way you spoke to me in front of the maid. You're always making me feel insignificant. Earlier today, I gave her my clothes to wash and you asked her not to. Mom, is she not the maid? Is she not supposed to do everything in the house?
My dear daughter, no one is making you feel insignificant. And she's my maid, not yours. So I only make the rules.
Mom.
Enough! I'm tired and I'm going to bed. Good night.
So Lucy, how do you enjoy working at our house?
Oh, it's not bad. I mean, I can't complain, and the pay is good as well. So, and your mom is really, really nice. So,
Okay. I know my siblings can be very annoying sometimes, but if you need any help or you just need me to help you talk to them or something, just let me know, okay?
Okay.
Do you mind if I get your number? Just to reach out every now and then to be able to reach you.
I don't mind.
All right. Just help me punch in. All right. Thank you.
You can stop me here. I can find my way home from here.
Are you sure? Is it safe?
Yes, it is. Almost
Okay
there.
then. All right, let me just clear. All right. So,
Thank you so much. I really
see you tomorrow.
appreciate it.
No problem.
Good night.
Good night. What a nice girl.
Ah, mommy. Mommy still cooked even in her condition. Come on, eat. Mommy. Mommy, wake up. Mommy. Wake up, mommy. Did you sleep well?
When did you come back last night?
Mommy, you were sleeping when I got back. I didn't want to wake you or disturb you. And thanks for the meal. It was delicious.
Thank you, dear.
Okay, mommy, come and brush your teeth. Let me give you your drugs before I go to work. I don't want to be late. Your slippers. Wait, let me bring your slippers. Sorry.
Thanks for the breakfast.
You're welcome, ma. I'll come back and pack it.
Okay. Hope that's not what I'm thinking. And whose room did you sweep that out from?
Jack. It's Jack's room.
What he could have easily flushed down the toilet. Now, where is he?
I don't know. He's not in his room.
Where could this boy have gone to? Okay. I'll be going out.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
I have to be on my way to the doctor's. I have an appointment.
All right.
So take care of the house.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
What's your problem? What'd you do that for?
What's your problem? Why are you being tough? I've been knocking on your door for days now. Just open up and simply let me in.
Let you in as what? I've told you, respect yourself and leave me alone.
Oh, really? I think it's simple to separate honey from the bee, huh?
Leave me alone. I won't tell you again. Leave me alone!
What the hell was that for?
Leave me alone. How is that difficult to understand?
I think this will stop me, right?
Mom. I'm happy you had fun. That's fun. Hope you had fun. Sorry. Hey, babe.
Welcome.
Oh my God. Baby, what happened?
I'm fine. I just hit my head on the wall.
Where? Okay, cover your nose now.
Solo, that'll be enough for today. Please, you can leave us.
Okay.
Were you sleepwalking?
Come on, it's cool. I said I'm still worrying, so. Welcome, Mom.
Don't you think you should get it treated at the hospital?
Mom, I just told you I'm fine, alright? And besides, I've gotten some meds already, so I'm okay.
Okay, you look terrible.
Thank you.
It's okay. If he says he's fine, then let's just drop the topic.
I'm fine, Mom. Please, I'll be upstairs. Come on, let's go. Why are you looking so sad?
Lucy! Lucy! Lucy!
calling you since. What have you been doing?
Sorry, ma, I was doing the laundry.
Okay. There'll be no need for dinner tonight. On our way back, we'll branch to the restaurant and we'll go take out. You can leave early today.
Okay, ma.
Okay.
Alright.
One more thing. This is for you. You're welcome. So go home in peace.
I hope you're enjoying it.
My dear, I'm enjoying the food. The food is very tasty. You know it's been long I ate chicken. God will bless that your madam for me. Mm. 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 Why are you sad?
No, nothing. Something.
Well, I enjoy my chicken. Thank you very much for this chicken. God will bless you for me. After I've eaten the chicken, I'm feeling better.
I'll buy you more chicken when I get my salary.
God will bless you. God will bless you.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
But you don't look it.
Come. Come and sit.
What is it?
I didn't tell you all that happened.
What do you mean?
I didn't just fall and get this. Something caused it.
What caused it?
Lucy. Lucy caused it.
How?
Lucy has been making advances at me lately. Hey, relax. The other evening in the kitchen, I went to grab something and she tried to kiss me. I know I'm not a good guy, but I can't just fall for anything, let alone a maid. Come on, I'm way beyond that. So, in a bid to free myself, I ran out of the kitchen, I slipped, and this happened.
Wait, you mean to tell me that Lucy is trying to seduce my man?
Babe,
and I'm going to mess her up big time.
Really? Hey, come back. Where are you going to?
I'm going to tell Amy and Mommy, of course.
Wait. See, listen. So lately I've noticed that my mom is very fond of that girl. And she's not going to believe any story we cook up and tell her, unless she sees this thing happen firsthand. Okay? Come back, I have a better plan. Come and sit.
Hey, I go kill this guy. Hey. Oh.
Hey, come here. Well, I'm going on a date tonight, and I want you to fix my nails.
Oh, okay. I'll do that, but please allow me to complete this. When I'm done with this, I'll come attend.
Is it that you don't understand English or what? Look, you don't give the instructions here. I do. I want my nails fixed. Or have you ever gone on a date in this your wretched life before? Please go and get me a chair.
Yes.
What's going on here?
Good day, ma.
Mom.
Lucy, are you done with your chores? Amy, why is she doing your nails?
Mom. So I'll be going on a date tonight.
And how does that answer my question? There are so many salons out there, but you deemed it fit to channel her duties into making your nails.
But Mom, she's our maid.
She is not your maid. Let me tell you for the last time, do not ever use her for your own selfish interest.
Mom, selfish interest, really?
Ma, are you ready to eat now?
Yes, dear.
I really don't know how you guys keep up with all these things, but trust me, they just get you guys scared. There's definitely not me.
It's not true. Good night, ma.
Good night, dear.
Mom!
What is it?
Mom, my gown! The gown I planned on wearing to my dinner date tonight is missing!
How?
I don't know! It was there this morning, now I can't find it!
Are you sure you saw it this morning, or it's just an oversight?
I don't understand. Do I look blind to you?
Hey, chill. I was just asking.
Joyce,
Ma?
did you see her dress?
Yes. I saw it yesterday when we bought it from the boutique.
Mom, if I don't see that dress today, I'm going to turn this house upside down.
Lucy? Did you see her gown?
No, ma, I didn't see the gown. I only just cleaned the room. I didn't see any gown.
You cleaned my room. That means you must have seen it.
Lucy, what is in your bag?
My bag? This bag? My personal belongings. Yes.
Oh I'm going to search her bag. I need to search her bag.
Lucy has been working with me for a while now, and she's never been searched. So why now?
Because it's still there. It's necessary. I need to search her, Mom.
Search my bag? Why? I've never stolen anything. I don't steal. Why would I steal your gown? Why?
Lucy, for peace to reign, please allow them search your bag.
Just to search, see, there's no big deal, baby.
Absolutely.
Open the nylon very well.
Jesus. Hey, this is your gown now.
Jesus. Jesus.
Is this your gown?
Jesus.
You're shouting Jesus.
Jesus.
Hey! I might be a sinner, but I'll shut that mouth of yours if you ever still name Jesus again over your crime.
I didn't put it in there.
Wait, hold up, Mom. Are we really having this conversation? Are you going to bend your principles of no thieves in this house all because of this girl? For what reason? Why are we having this conversation at all?
Hey! So fine girls do steal.
You steal?
No, I don't steal. I don't know how it got.
Shut up, Mom, please. Can you just fire this girl? Because her presence is already irritating me. For what reason now?
I already know what your answer will be. Just leave and let her come back.
This girl won't even fit you. So why are you stealing it?
I don't know.
And she's so fine.
So beautiful. Plan, come.
Mom, let's beat her up now. Why don't we just allow her go? Ha!
She's so pretty. Now please let her go.
Hey! Mom, please, let me go and check my things. If they're intact.
Please do it, Nancy.
Come.
Where?
Coffee, key.
Oh, babe, now.
So how far now? So this one you didn't answer. Are you okay? Are you feeling sick?
But you know, just sweet me. And Lucy.
What happened to Lucy?
She don't go.
Yes, she would go. It's already late.
You don't understand it. They try talk. Lucy know they work for you again.
Are you joking?
Why go carry this kind of matter play? She come up for here, tell me say she know they come back again. You know to tell when she even come out. And I cry, she take come up for here.
Mom, where's Lucy?
Well, the thief is gone.
Will you shut your trap? Don't speak about her in that manner.
Well, trust me, you would have said the same thing if they told you what she did.
And what did she do?
She stole him his dress. Yep.
A dress. Someone that has been working here for weeks. Do you know how many times I've deliberately left money in my trouser and she always returns it?
Well, she was building up, maybe.
Are you even thinking? Are you guys thinking at all? Why would she steal your worthless clothes when she could have taken something more valuable?
Lucy, what happened?
I lost my job.
Ha! My dear, calm down, calm down, calm down, my brother. See, God will give you a better job, eh? God will give you another one. Just calm down. Ha! Pick the phone now.
The number you are trying to call is currently not reachable. Please try again later.
Come on, pick. Solo. Solo.
Mommy, I'm going out to get something then.
Why not call your madam and explain to her?
Mommy, I thought I told you I don't want to have anything to do with that family. I don't want to have anything to do with them. She believed all their lies, so no.
But you said she did not say anything. Maybe she's trying to assess the situation.
No. They should stay far away from me. Every member of that family. I don't want to have anything to do with them. God will take care of us. He will provide for us. We'll be fine.
Don't worry. God will open greater doors for you.
Amen. I'll be on my way.
Okay.
Take care.
Who is there? I'm coming.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I want deposit my money.
Oh, okay. Make I bring my book.
Okay.
Ah. Okay, hold on. Let me. What's your name?
Obina.
Obina who?
Ibepe.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Let me make it 5K.
Okay. I beg, help me write your phone number here.
Alright.
Okay.
I will invite one of my colleagues. His name now Titus.
Titus?
Yes,
Okay.
Titus.
So they come today?
Yes, today.
I will wait.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Anna.
Bye. Hold on. Oh, Oga. Okay, I'm coming. Let me get my book.
Don't bring them.
How work now?
Oh, they go well. You know, as they go before.
Okay, we thank God though. Okay. I beg, what's your name so I can register you?
Write Titus for there.
Titus who, I beg?
Titus one name.
Titus one. Okay, come on. It's complete.
I wasn't my money no go loss. So.
Okay. You don't have any problem. All right. Thank you.
You gotta go like this.
Yes.
Yeah, nah, don't move.
Good night, sir.
I told you to call me before coming here.
You must be very stupid for saying that to me. Are you mad?
Hold up. You're not even married. Why are you screaming?
Why you are a betrayer!
Joyce!
You are a witch!
Joyce!
And so
ruckus about? What is it?
Mom, you remember yesterday I told you my parents asked me to come to the house? Your son here asked me to call him before coming. Unfortunately, I don't have network on my phone. Only for me to come home and I saw him having sex with this cheap 10 cover shower under the bridge. A shower!
Enough of the name calling. Jack? Is this the friends you said you were going to be with?
So what if this is not my friends, eh? Does it make any difference? Yes, I told you I wanted to go sit out with my friends, and this is my friend. I brought her here.
How did she even get past the gate?
How? It doesn't matter how she got past the gate.
Jack, you're a betrayer!
See, I don't like this thing.
Shut up!
You guys are giving this girl too much legs in this house.
I regret ever agreeing to chase Lucy out of this house.
What did you say?
You shut your mouth. What the hell are you saying? You shut your mouth.
Don't hush her. What did you say? I'm listening.
He asked me, begged me to steal Amy's gown and put it inside Lucy's bag so he would chase Lucy away from the house.
Choice.
Ashawa! Ashawa! Idiot! Betrayer! I hate you! Ashawa! Betrayer! Get out! Get out! What are you here?
Hey! It's enough! It's enough!
Get out! Bastard! Ashawa Chipwan!
Alpha, man, I don't understand. Everything just the dabaru. I swear, no money, nothing. Everything just the. Hello, babe. You know what will happen? Just give me that bag. Give me that bag. I don't want to forget my hand.
Which bag? These are people's money.
Oh, this one they speak English. They talk people's money. Give me this bag.
Sorry. These are people's money. Listen. Titles. Namio. Thank you very much. Thank you.
No. Look at the go.
Why? Come inside now. Please, we don't bite. Come in. Lucy. Mommy.
Oh, good evening.
Lucy, who is this? Mommy. He's my friend, one of the contributors for my job. Mommy, he saved me this evening. I was almost robbed and in fact beaten. He just showed up and Mommy, I will tell you, I'll gist you later. But he saved me. Yes, Mommy.
Thank you very much.
No, Mommy, no problem.
God bless you. Thank you.
No problem.
You're welcome.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Please sit down. Let me see what I can do for you.
Thank you, Mom.
So, what would you like to have?
Nothing. I did alright.
Are you sure?
No, I did. I did alright.
Okay.
Collector. Get one thing I supposed to tell you. My name no be Titus. Na Thomas.
Thomas.
Short one na Tom.
Okay. I mean, I appreciate that you're telling me your real name, but why did you even lie about your name in the first place? Anyway, Tom is a good name. I used to know a Tom. I had a bad experience with him. I mean, he did not offend me directly, but his family did, and I took it out on him. Yeah.
Wow, why didn't you forgive him? I mean, you don't believe in forgiveness.
I mean, I do, but...
Then forgive. I mean, if you don't forgive, you're just going to keep holding on to pain, and it's going to be a hindrance for you.
Wait, did you just speak good English? That was so, prim and proper. I've never heard that.
That's because...
heard what happened. I know you're hurt, but I also know you did not steal anything.
What? Oh my God! I should have. I knew something wasn't. How did you even find me?
Solo, he told me the area you live in. It wasn't easy finding you, but it was worth it.
And you had to go through all of this just to.
Look, Lucy, I'm sorry about the way my family treated you. You deserve better.
I still can't believe it. Ma, you see. Good to see you again. Good to see you too, Ma. How are you? I'm okay. I'm sorry I didn't get your back. Mom, it's okay. It's okay. It's fine. Thank you. To see you once again. Yeah, same here.
Hi, Lucy. I just wanted to say we are sorry. I mean, for everything, the way we treated you.
No grudges.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I know we didn't get off on the right foot, but I'm sincerely sorry. I'm a changed person. We've all changed.
Well, since we're all done with the apologies, I was thinking, Mom, if you don't mind from you, would you like to
She's all yours.
grab dinner with me sometime?
Yes, I would like to.
Great.
Yeah.
Why are you guys yelling this? Come on, hug each other.
Oh, you're coming for a hug too?
Of course.
It's allowed. It's allowed.
Me too.
Family hug.
Oh my babies.
So green.